Happy 4th of July. That was louder than I thought. This is my fit. It's real cute. And my hair. Yeah. Anyways, I'm currently like having to do my laundry because I'm going to my mom's today. She's picking me up later. We might go to the lake. I don't know though. But yeah, after she picks me up, we're gonna go fireworks shopping. She's coming soon, and I'm staying over there for the weekend. I will see y'all when I'm with my mom. Actually, if we do go swimming, I have this really cute bathing suit. This is my beach bag, but hold on. I put my bathing suit in here just in case we go swimming. I got a towel in here, sunscreen and stuff. And I have my real cute bathing suit. Hold on. This is the top. It's really cute. I have this butterfly one that's like a string top, but the string is messed up. So I'm not wearing that one. Anyway, these are the bottoms. Yes. Hey guys, this is my mom. And my sister's back there. Yeah, my mom just picked me up and now we're going fireworks shopping. That one looks exciting. Kinda wanna get one of these. Like, I don't know if like...
There's this one that they have that
I don't know if those like blow up or whatever. But like... Oh, those are like sparkling ones. Hold on. Wait, I think this is what I was talking about. Where you light it and it goes like straight to the sky. It's like big. I want a big one. Bro, taste the rainbow. Bro, golden girl. I want to get like... Oh, wait, hold on. This one looks cool. Oh my god, these were what I was talking about. Like, you get these things and put them in there, and then, like, you light them, and it goes, like, straight to the sky, and, like, blows up real big. I want one of those. I'm getting all of these. We're home, and we're going to start grilling soon, and we're making some barbecue chicken. And then after we make the chicken and stuff, we're going to start fireworks. Okay, so, like, this is the first one that we got. Rock and roller. It's huge. It's got a ton of like sparklers and like other fireworks in it. And we got this like car thing. It's got a bunch of like things in there. And then we got this bag, which I'm gonna go through it and I'll show you.
Look at what we got in here.
Okay, so like with these ones, so we did get these, like these ones. We got like 4 of these, which these
No,
are
we only
the
got
ones
2 of
that-
those.
Oh, we only got 2?
Yeah, so I wanted to get this.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I showed them that already. Anyway.
Well, they don't know what's all in it.
Well,
Like there's these
we're
outlaw
gonna go
snappers.
through it in a
What's
minute.
this?
But we got like these little light up things. We got sparklers.
Hey girl, hey.
We got these like what are they called? Roman candles? Yeah, and you light it and then like you shoot it in the sky. It's real cool. Like you get to hold it.
I don't even know what these are.
We got a ton of bottle rockets.
And dog light here. How
More
do you...
light up things. But we got a ton of bottle rockets. Yeah. And come on, little one. And then we got this fish thing.
Just put it on a level surface.
It's just got a bunch of sparklers in it. And this is Teeny. Look at her cuteness.
I can't wait for that one.
She's so cute. Anyways, we're gonna go through the big like boxes and stuff of fireworks. We're gonna go through those in a second and I'll show you them. This is the baby grill. I wanna show them the chicken. Oh yeah. Oh, that is hot. It just almost burnt me. Oh my gosh. Anyway, this is the barbecue sauce that I made. It's really good. It's my family's recipe. It's actually my dad's recipe, and it's real good. Okay, let's make sure. Why is the thing thingy's so short.
Okay, you have to also point it out into the yard, not up, by the way. Just letting you know. They're loud. That's what she said. Yeah, so it only takes a couple seconds. Mama!
Oh, why did it screech? Oh my god, that was so loud.
I know.
My ears, I swear. Okay, now she's gonna do one. It's okay. You'll be fine. It's not gonna hurt you. Oh my god, why did I scream? We're gonna do this dog poop one. It's not gonna explode, it just poops. Oh. After it does this little fire thing. It like straight up poops. Look at that. That's a long turd. Oh, is that all it does?
No.
It leaves turds? It's actually kind of funny. Yeah, there's like one more. We're gonna wait for my brother. We got party poppers. I'm gonna do one of them. Happy 4th of July. It literally didn't pop. Wait. Never mind. That actually kind of sucks. Let me do a better one. Okay, now I'm gonna do a good party popper. Like, you gotta pull it first, and then you go. Happy 4th of July. That was louder than I thought. It didn't even leave that many, like, that much confetti. It'll be okay.
Let's start recording with
This is probably gonna poop too.
Ouch. No, it has wheels.
Oh wait, really? Oh,
Oh, that's a nice one.
yeah, those are night ones. Ain't no way it's coming out both ends.
That one.
The next one is this thing.
We have a bunch of those, so if this is a night one, we have plenty more.
Yeah, true. There's only like one more of that. I don't know what this one does. Oh,
Wait, it might not be. Oh, more of those things.
yo,
Can of worms. Yo, did you get that, Lucy?
yeah. Look at that chicken. It looks so good. It is like 100 degrees out here. But look, we got the chicken and the BBQ sauce. Oh, it's gonna sizzle. That looks so good. We're doing the chicken one next. I don't know what this one does. Oh. Oh my god. What? Eating my dinner. We got barbecue chicken, barbecue beans, and potatoes. Okay, I'm doing a sparkler.
Okay.
I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to my vlog. Sorry, I'm on the phone with my bestie. This is not sparkling. Oh, I'm gonna get it away from the fire.
Another testy.
Yeah, that'd be better. Oh, did you get those, the
I'm scared.
that stay on fire? Yeah, you should be.
Why did I jump?
This one kid had a handful of those, and I had to. And he asked
I'm
me
from
about it.
Disney Channel.
And I swear to God, they burned me.
I'm sorry.
Really just say the Disney Channel thing because I did that same thing yesterday.
Oh, for real? Yeah.
Yeah, for real.
I did the little Mickey Mouse ears too.
My name is Lizzie, and you are watching this
Yeah,
video.
do your name.
My name is Little Lizzie. Make sure you subscribe down below. And I'm from Disney Channel.
No, you're not, Lizzie. You can get
Actually, I'm from YouTube.
you couldn't get like I don't know if there's like a copyright thing on
That was quick. Anyway, say hi to my bestie.
Hi.
She's on the phone. I'm vlogging right now, by the way.
it. You're so dumb.
Okay, I'm lighting this one. This one's a sparkler. Ooh, I don't know why that scared me, but it did. Oh, Jesus! Why is that so close? realized that after. We're doing rebellion. And yeah, it's like the same as that, but like better. I'm scared. Why is it not lighting? I'm scared. Why is it not lighting? Oh, okay, it lit. That scared me. This one is New York Glory. I don't know why I said it like that. Okay, this is probably gonna be a bigger one because it's a bigger one. I'm gonna like this big one. So as soon as it lights, I'm taking off. That is not what I thought that was. So I'm going to cook out later with my sister. And my aunt and uncle actually hosting it, so we're just gonna go to my aunt and uncle's house. But it's not until like 7, so. I'm in my watermelon and enjoying these fireworks. Oh yeah. Oh, hold on. Those are so pretty. Oh wow. Oh wow. That one was a wow. These are pretty. There you go. There's your second one. Look, you got 2. Pretty sure this one's just a sparkler. Yeah, this one's just a sparkler. That's it for this video. Teeny says make sure you like and subscribe and turn on those notifications. So, yeah.